Hey guys, this week we're going to talk about chapter 6 in my book. Very short chapter, 3 pages. It's on insurance. Now, when it comes to talking to an insurance agent, there's a lot of different areas of insurance that are very important. Definitely consult an insurance agent to make sure your insurance needs are met. Okay, so what do we need insurance for? Obviously, car insurance, potentially life insurance, health insurance. Health insurance is a whole monster in and of its own, in and of its own. Hopefully, you have it provided from your job. If not, look into the various healthcare things that are out there. Definitely recommend an insurance agent for that because they're going to understand the ins and outs. What's the important parts of your health insurance deductible versus out-of-pocket maximum? You want to make sure that you have the right blend and you're in the right place for your needs. One of the things I talk about is health insurance. Another thing I talk about is really life insurance. What do you need life insurance for? If you're a 20-something, no kids, just kind of on your own, and you have, some money saved aside, there's really not that much need for life insurance. Now, people might argue against my point here, and I'd love to hear your comments as well. But, in my 20s, I did not have life insurance. I figured, okay, I have my company that I work for gives you 1 year salary if something happens to you. It's more than enough to bury you if something happens. Let's be honest. That's what you're really concerned with. Life insurance is really an income replacement for the people that are left behind. So now that I have a family, have several children, God forbid something happens to me, I want to make sure that there's enough money for my wife and for my children so that their lifestyle is not compromised. If you're healthy, non-smoker, you're not going to pay a fortune for life insurance, and it's really worth it. For example, I'll share that I personally have a $750,000 policy, and it costs me about $400 a year. And there might be other ones out there that are cheaper. It's a 20-year policy, and that's why it might be a little bit higher. But I thought about it and said, okay, well, in 20 years from now, my children would be going to or in college, and I'll also be in a situation where I have, more funds available and saved over that period of time. So life insurance term, I think, is the best way to go. Some people say whole life. Again, there's a lot of subjectivity here. You can decide what fits your needs. Health insurance, life insurance, speak to an agent, get the information, then make the decisions that you think fit you the best. Don't make a high pressure decision. Understand it, read about it, but again, talk to an agent because they can share information and insights. They can also get you better deals than you ordinarily can on your own. So highly recommend that. If you have any questions on insurance, feel free to leave comments below. Take a look at my book, Saving Your Future, available on Amazon. And give this video a thumbs up if you learned something. And please check out my other videos. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.